Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Divya Singh. If you are someone who's new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Also press on that notification button so that you get notified whenever there's a new video.
Alright guys, we're taking Truman the blow brush and this is how it looks like. I'm absolutely in love with the color scheme. Also it is super lightweight. It has 3 settings: cool, low and high. I usually prefer the highest setting. Start. Make sure your hair is damp because it will ensure best blow dry effect. I already applied serum. Make sure you also do the same. Work on small section because it will give you best results.
If this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe for some amazing goodies coming your way. Also let me know in the comment section below what else you would like to know about hairstyling, curling and straightening.